Hello everyone, welcome to Zetotech. Today, we've got a mind-blowing hack that's going to change the way you experience YouTube on your iOS device. Imagine enjoying all those premium features without spending a dime. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because we have got the secret sauce for you. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome hacks and tips. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up. Alright, let's cut to the chase. You know how YouTube Premium lets you watch videos ad-free, play videos in PIP mode and also in the background? Well, today we're going to show you how to get all of that for free. Yep, you heard it right. Free YouTube Premium features, no strings attached. So let's get started. Head over to the App Store and search for Video Lite. It's a hidden gem and you won't find it by just scrolling through the popular apps. Download and install it. Trust me, this is a game changer. Once installed, open the Video Lite app and log in with your YouTube account. Don't worry, it's completely safe, no shady business here. Now here's where the magic happens. Navigate to the video you want to watch, hit play and bam, no more annoying ads. Ad-free viewing, just like that. Say goodbye to those pesky interruptions. And cherry on top, minimize the app and the video will keep playing in the background. Yup, multitasking like a pro without the need for a premium subscription. An important note here is that the app is free for 15 days and after that it shows very few and non-annoying ads. You can get rid of them too. There is already a video about that up on the channel. You can find it in the card above. There you have it folks, your ticket to YouTube Premium features without breaking the bank. Make sure you share this video with your friends and let them in on the secret. If you enjoyed this hack, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down your thoughts below. Thank you for tuning in to Zetotech. Until next time, happy watching.